Oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Oh my goodness, guys, there's the cemetery. This one is Rose Hill Cemetery. All right, guys, we've arrived. Check this place out. One way. All right, so let's go this way. Look at this place, Abba. Look right here to the left. It's crazy. I don't know if that to the left is ever open. This is the one cemetery that is really, really creepy. And I believe recently when Omar was in town, Omar was at this cemetery, guys. Because he came to my hometown. And I know this was the cemetery he was at. There's a cemetery right there on the left. And that is actually a different cemetery. I think there's like 2 or 3 of them right up in here. But this one here that we're in is really, really awesome. It's got some beautiful, beautiful mausoleums. And it's creepy. And I don't think you can get in here at night, but you have to come through the cemetery to the left and just walk. Look at the deer. Look. Can you guys see the deer? They're running through the cemetery. They're straight ahead. Oh, I wonder if we're going to see any more. They're looking back at us like, what are they doing? They just scared us away. They're by that big, they're like right in there. I don't know how well you can see. There they go. Look, that's so crazy. Maybe we'll see more. I hope they don't come running and hit my car. That is the other cemetery, but if you get up in there and park, you can walk over in here at night. There is the school. That is Allegheny High School, and they built a brand new school, so they closed down. Trying to see where all those cool mausoleums are. There's a lot of cool ones here, guys. I came here a long time ago with Terry. You guys remember when I came to Cumberland and met up with Terry? I made a whole bunch of videos with him. I haven't made a lot of videos this time, guys, because we're here for such a short period of time. Oh, wow, Abby, look at that. Look at that one, guys. It's sealed completely off. This one right up here is really cool looking. That one right there. Look at that, Ab. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's hard for them to see. Wow. It's neat looking. Mm-hmm. I mean, what does it say at the top? Can you read it? In memory of John...
I don't want to... It looks like it says Ho, but not H-O-E, like H... Or maybe it says... Yeah, it's H-O-Y-E. And...
Hoyle?
Hoy.
And like that is in the ground. I mean, it's like... Watch the back of it, guys. It goes back in the ground. You see that? It's all covered up. That is so neat how they do that. It's in the ground. And here's another one. Look at that one right there. God, you could see right in that one, Al.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't have my flashlight. Darn, I left it at home. I left it back at the house.
I have my phone flashlight.
Yeah, but that you ain't gonna see nothing with that flashlight. That's pretty neat, though.
I could try. I kind of want to see what's in there.
You want to get out and see what's in there? Go ahead. Yeah.
It's not a body, right? Like the body's still underground.
It would, yeah. It would, you might see a casket. Here, you want to take the camera and show it? I'll have to try to. We might have to run back on with the camera. I'll get the flashlight.
Ooh. Oh, you guys can kind of see in there. There you go.
That is so cool. I might have the...
Look, come here.
Jessie Corns is who that is.
That's another one with the back like that. You can see in there.
You can?
Like I flashed my flashlight and then I had the camera also going in there.
Oh wow, I'm trying to look for the video. I thought I was scared that I didn't bring that other flashlight. I have it. So you can see?
Look.
Can they see?
Yeah. Watch. Oops.
Oh wow. So is that the casket?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, what is it?
That's the casket.
Wait, is your light in there?
Mm-hmm.
That's the casket sitting right back there. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. It's got one of them skeleton keys. Wow, this is Jessie Corns. Wonder what the steps are for. Why there's steps there. This, yeah, there was another one over there. I must have missed that one. This cemetery is really, really cool. There's so many cool, unique graves. This is an old cemetery. I bet it dates back to the 1700s. Maybe even 16. I don't know for sure. I mean, I'm sure we can look on the gate out there or we can look this up. It's Rose Hill Cemetery in Cumberland, Maryland. Look at this right here. It looks like it's got hands holding that. All right, so I know there's some cool, I'm gonna take you up and show you some more. Okay, so, trying to...
That's probably expensive.
What?
That.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it was expensive in its day, you know? It'd be real expensive now, but I'm sure in its day that it was very expensive. Okay, so look at them. They have crosses on top of them, the ones on the ground. We're like up on a hill, guys. Look at this. We are totally up on a hill. I'm trying to. Look at this one, we're all gated off. Yeah, it is like a family. Abby, I think I see a person. No, it's probably not.
Where?
I was thinking I seen it over by that fence.
Oh.
Is it not a person?
No,
Okay.
I thought I saw one too.
Okay.
But that was over there.
We need to look at the gate, and I can't remember what I can't remember what year this cemetery was.
That was weird.
What?
You went by one of the big stones, and I was looking down there. It looked like I saw something, and then you went by again, and it was just that, but it had like color to it. Like
Oh,
that,
wow.
kind of just like the regular color of the graves.
Yeah.
But it looked like it had like color on the shirt and everything, and then I went by again, and it passed another one, and it wasn't.
Wow. Some of these are like just so torn up. I have family here that they're in the family tree on my husband's side. And they're down here along the fence. It'd be cool to try to get over and get into the abandoned school now that it's abandoned. But I don't know if that's going to be possible.
We can go try.
Yeah, I just don't know if, you know. Might have to come over like earlier in the day, and maybe somebody will be there and that they'll let us in. Like right down along this fence here somewhere is some family from my marriage family tree. But this was my hometown for 30 years, guys. It's a big cemetery, but I'm trying to. Oh, they're right there. Right up there on the, see on the side right there?
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna cut a left. Those are really neat. I think Omar drove up there, and I don't think you're supposed to drive up there. Hey, you wanna hold the camera out? I'm gonna turn here. I don't think you're supposed to drive up there.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna
you
make
can
it.
drive through here. It's really neat. I mean, maybe you are. I don't know.
You're not gonna. Oh.
No. I'm just following the road. This is where Omar drove. I don't think I'm supposed to drive. Well, I guess it is a road, so. But look at these over here. These are neat. Let me show these. Those right there, if you guys go back and watch my video, those are the neatest graves. They're up there. They're in the, like, it's like they're in the, like a wall, but beyond them is other graves, if that makes any sense. It's pretty cool though. Alright, are we gonna get up here? Oh God. Yeah, I don't know if we should have did this. Probably not. Holy crap, am I gonna hit that? Alright, guys. This was, yeah, better off to, probably would have been better off to walk this one. But there's so many cool graves here. Which one do you guys want to, you guys want to go back to one of those cool mausoleums and do spirit box? Oh no, Abby, you're going to have to get out and move that stick. Look in the road, guys. Yeah, well look, I can't run over them things. You're gonna definitely have to.
Why do I have to get out?
You gotta move all that stuff. Did you guys see all that? Because I'm driving. She's like, me? Why me? Holy crap. Move that big stuff too. Oh my gosh. She's gonna have it poking out. It's gonna scratch the side of my car. What about it? Oh Lord. Yeah, this is probably a bad idea, especially with the rain and stuff they've been having. Alright, move that thing there so it doesn't. Wow. Okay, guys. Bad idea. Thank you, Abba. Abba's a good girl. Alright, guys. We're gonna go through it. Hopefully I don't get a flat tire or bottom out or anything. Holy crap. We made it. Oh, there's that one there. That takes you up. This one here takes you up, I think. Let me think. No, maybe not. Let's cut this way. Bad idea, Ab. Look at that one. You can go right up through there.
You say that now until we get up there.
Oh no, I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, it is a bad idea. Okay, so I want to go back to some of the cool ones that we just seen and do some spirit box at one of them. Can you look this cemetery up and see what year it is, Abba? It's gotta be, well, I mean, that one was 1875 was the grave. It's gotta be Rose Hill Cemetery. It's gotta be like 1700s or early 1800s. I just love that one there. I really just love that one. 1866. Wow. So this cemetery was established in 1866. Here's the other one that oh yeah, this was the one that was sealed off. Like once the coffins went in there, they completely sealed it. What do you guys think? Wow. Look at some of these unique tombstones. They're pretty awesome. So 1866, I guess, was the first. I wonder who the first people were that were buried here. Abby's got the K2 meter out the window, guys. I think we just, let's see. We can probably cut to the left. And we'll go back and we'll go to that one right up here. All right, so we're gonna go right here to this one where we got out and looked in. This one is Jessie Corns, and this is where we're gonna get out, and this is where we are going to do spirit box. All right, guys, Abby has the K2 meter down below. We have the REM pod on that side, and we're here at Jessie Corns' grave. And I'm going to turn the spirit box on. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hi, Jessie. My name is Marie. I have my granddaughter Abby with me. We come in peace. If there's anything you want to say, you can say it right into this black box. Are you here with us? Tell us what year you died. Sound like I just heard a man, guys. Might have been spirit, Abby. Can you tell me who I just heard? Are you buried in this tomb all alone, or do you have a wife with you? Looked like we only seen one coffin in there. Jessie, what year did you die? Maybe. Did you die in April? Keep talking. I will look you up and find out what year you really died. Jessie, is there any way that you can touch that REM pod over there? It will light up. It will not hurt you. Guys, I walked down to take a picture. Jessie, are you touching the REM pod? Is that you? Thank you for touching the REM pod. Can you light up that K2 meter? Hello. Jessie, how old was you when you died? Can you tell us how old you was? Thank you for touching that REM pod. Try to light up that K2 meter. Alright, well, thank you for talking with me. Can you tell us goodbye? I'll come back and see you next year when I come back. Bye. Wow, guys, that REM pod is going crazy. Listen to that. Thank you so much for touching that REM pod. All right, guys, I'm going to put some of my stuff away and I'm going to show you guys inside there. Oh, wow. All right. I just heard something. Thank you for touching the REM pod. What did I just hear? I just heard something. I don't know what it was. All right, Abby, what did you say? He was 78 when he died?
He was 78 when he died. I cannot find the year. I probably have to read a little bit better.
Yeah.
But he was the oldest of, I hope I'm saying his last name right, the Corns.
The Corns?
He was the oldest.
Wow. All right, let me get a picture, let me get them, show them inside. I keep hearing something out here. You look that up. You look that up and we'll talk when I get in the car. All right, guys. So we are gonna look inside. Like I said, I have to go back and get my spotlight if I'm gonna go out and make any more videos. But look at that. There is his coffin. Jessie Corns. Wow. Rest in peace, Jessie.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so Abby was looking it up in the car while I was finishing up out there and showing you guys on the inside. And go ahead and tell them what all you found out.
Alright, I found out he died from after an illness of 6 months. So he was ill for 6 months, and that's how.
Does it say what year
yes.
he died?
Well, I found out now. At the age of 78, so he was 78 when he passed away. And he was the oldest son of Henry Corns. He was born 1809.
Oh, wow.
And he passed away 1888.
Oh, wow. So he lived to be an old man.
Mm-hmm.
That is so awesome. But did he not have a wife? Because he's buried.
Yeah, he definitely had a wife.
He had a wife?
He was married in 1831 to Miss Ruth Plank and had 1 son and 3 daughters.
I wonder why nobody's buried with him.
Maybe they're buried around him.
They might be. We might be able to.
Maybe they moved.
They could, or maybe she remarried and was buried with somebody else.
Yeah.
Wow, that is really an amazing looking tombstone there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna ride you guys over, and we're gonna look at the rest of them and then work our way down. I don't know exactly what time they close them gates, but we don't want to get locked in here because we'll have to call somebody to come let us out. So I'm trying to wait for my thing. Why isn't that popping up to tell me what time is it?
8:04.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do the ride throughout and then probably end this video. So let's take the ride throughout.
That might be what we heard. I didn't hear a guy, but
I heard a man. I heard a man's voice, but it could have been spirit. It didn't have to be human. It could have been spirit. All right, guys. I'm gonna take you guys. We're gonna end this video after we get through here. Is this the way out? Hopefully. Hopefully I'm not going up on no cliffs again. I don't know if this is the way out or not, but we are going to try to get out of here, and I'm going to take you guys by the abandoned school. So be sure to check out all my videos because that's not going to be on this video. Oh, look, I get to look at that one right there. Wow. I think I just made a U-turn. I think it was just like a circle. But if you look down over the hill, that is a separate cemetery over there. I don't know what all you can see, but it's definitely a separate cemetery. Look at the it looks like, what do you call it? What is that thing in DC that we see that looks like that? Abigail.
What?
What's that thing in DC that looks like that?
The Twin Towers?
No, I can't think of what it's called. Anyways, that one's really tall. Look at the sky. All right.
Keeps big time seeing things.
I keep hearing things, so she's seeing things and I'm hearing things. Guys, Abby has a lot of the same issues I had when I was young, on passing out and feeling lightheaded and weak, and you know, I go to the doctor and they would tell me there's nothing wrong. Abby has a lot of those symptoms, and I'm wondering if she's coming into something that she didn't know she had, but I'm not positive and she's not sure either. But I've opened her mind to it just in case that's what it is, because you never know. It could be spirits. Not saying it is, but it could be. Ah, that's so pretty. And that cemetery over there doesn't close at night. That's the one I went to at night when last time I came down here. There used to be a fence all the way up here, and the fence is just old. This is pretty cool, guys. It's definitely an old cemetery. I might be going the wrong way out. Am I going the right way? thought it was one way. Oh God, that's creepy. You could go right over the edge.
Yeah.
Okay. It would be really cool to be able to go into that down there. Alright guys. So I am coming back out the same way I came in. I'm going to set you guys up. This building right here in front of us. That building right there would be so cool to go inside there. It'd be really cool to go inside there. And look here to your left. Looky there. Wonder what you could see in there. Definitely need to come back with my spotlight. But like, you know, today it's later in the evening. It's 8:08. But I think somebody lives inside here. I think they live here. This building here, that building there would be so cool to go inside of. I bet you that is like really, really old. That's probably back from the 1800s. Maybe it was a church. I'm not sure. It might have been a church. Can do some research and find out. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna ride you guys through the other cemetery real quick. The gates are still open. Yay! Somebody lives right here. So I don't know what time the gates close, but I'm glad they're still open right now. Okay. Okay, guys. So right up here is the second cemetery. And this is the one that me and Bambi, it was me, Bambi, and I think her name was Kathy. It was one of the fans come down and went with us. Oh, camera's falling over. So it's right here to your right. I think there's actually 3 cemeteries altogether here, but I'm not positive. I know there's lots of cemeteries in this town, and I took you to a bunch of them last time or a couple of times ago when I came. This is St. Peter and Paul's Cemetery. That's what this one is. I brought you guys here when I had Terry with me also. This one is pretty awesome. Alright, so while I was changing my battery, Abby seen somebody over in the other cemetery that we was just at.
How do you zoom in?
You take this thing right here.
Twist it?
Yeah, kind of. Doesn't go real far. But that's crazy. Abby saw somebody, and I'm telling you, I heard a man, but I didn't see any human.
Alright.
It could have been spirit, though.
See, all the way at the top of the hill, wherever you can see, you'll see like little poles, and then also that like little thing, and you see like it looks like someone standing there, but they like stood out all the way to the side of that.
Stepped out and looked at us?
Yeah, it looked like they were looking at us. I don't know if I couldn't really see which way they were facing.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Wow. So let's take them up this hill into this cemetery and do like a ride through. All right, guys, we're gonna set you back up. Alright guys, so this is the cemetery I took you to in the dark with Bambi. This was creepy as heck. Remember the deer came running over here, Abby, so we might spot the deer, guys, because the deer came into this cemetery when we scared them out of the other cemetery. This is probably maybe an hour earlier would have been the perfect time to come through the cemetery. You know, it's not so hot. And there's the deer. Oh my gosh, guys, he's big. Can you see him up there on the hill? That's a big deer. He's got horns too, or antlers. Can you see him? Oh my goodness. Hi, buddy.
Oh, his little ear.
Oh, look at him. He's gorgeous. Hey, buddy. That, you know, if I live out near the woods, it'd be so cool to train the babies to come right up to you. Wow, that one wasn't one of them that took off running, I don't think. There he goes. There he goes.
Deer are so cute.
They are pretty. Look at that tombstone. Is there somebody in that thing right there? I think we came right up in here. Oh, wow. Look at that, guys. Somebody's got a candle burning in there, too. It looks like Jesus and the angel. It's really pretty. Alright guys, let me set you back up. I keep saying that and then I grab the camera to take you somewhere else. Okay. So, if you look straight ahead, you could, if you parked over here, you could walk into the cemetery over there. And, you know, you might get in trouble because that cemetery does close. And this cemetery doesn't have a gate, so, you know, whether you're supposed to be in here in the dark or not, I don't know, but this one does not have a gate. Let's see. There's a road right there, and I think that is the road that we just came in over into that cemetery. Or maybe not. Maybe that road is for this cemetery. This is an old cemetery too, guys. It's St. Peter and Paul. Yeah, that road is in this cemetery, and the road up there is in that cemetery. And the school, it looks like people's busted the windows out, but I can't tell. I love all these unique tombstones. There's so many of them. There is several cemeteries in this town. I mean, if you looked it up, there's a lot. I can't tell you exactly a number, but there's a lot. I think I've made videos at almost every one of them. I went searching by myself last time I was here for different cemeteries. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I can't wait to hear what we got on Spirit Box, especially since Abby looked him up and we got some of the story and told you some of the story. I'll try to get more of the story and add to the video. Alright guys, peace.